Today's class is very important. Please maintain notebook and pen. Yeah. Once again, good morning all. In continuation of last class, now we are continuing relational algebra operations. Especially we discussed in the last class. The last topic is joints, right? Can anyone tell what are the joints are available? Please, any one of you? What are the joints are there in the relational algebra? What are the joints are available in the relational algebra? Hello? Is this my voice is audible or not? Because I am not understanding. You are not replying means I'm thinking again. Is this my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my question is what are the joints are there in the relational algebra?
Natural join, outer join.
We discuss only two, natural join, outer join. One is what? Theta join, condition join. Someone is typed in the chat box. Maybe five. Yes, five. So out of this, we discussed about natural join and outer join. In outer join, how many types of outer joins are there? How many types of outer joins are there?
Three types.
What are those?
Left outer, right outer,
What are the outer joins?
full outer.
Hmm. Yeah, very good. Outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Yeah, we discussed only one example on left outer join. I told you how to do the right outer join and full outer join. Everyone is done that job. Everyone, all of you, done this task or not? Do you understood left outer, right outer join, full outer join, and given task is finished or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Because I told you to complete. Shall we continue now? No need to discuss again. Because if you are good in that, then only I will go for the and some exercises also I am going to assign to you today. Because this is very important topic in this database management system, logical orientation. And when you are going to attempt, you will get the full marks and easy also. That is what. Everyone has done this task, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, an example, as we discussed in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. If it is done, then good, really good. Means you are doing. So done, you are doing. Even I can understand based on the examples. I will give you some tasks to you today. And once I will finish the topic, I will give the task. Please, already I told you, please maintain notebook and pen. Okay. Now, is the screen is visible? The screen is visible. I shared. Is this visible? Hello. Hello.
Yes, still not visible, sir.
If this my screen is not visible
No, sir.
now. Now
No,
still
sir. Still
no.
not.
I shared again. I will share. Wait a minute. I am sharing again. Because I shared the entire screen. What about now?
No, sir.
No or is I am not understanding. Is it visible or
No,
not?
sir.
No, sir, it's not visible, sir.
Not
Yeah,
visible,
now it's
sir.
visible,
Visible.
sir.
Yeah,
Not
it's
visible,
visible
sir.
now.
Yeah. It is visible. Then I can continue. Here, because in our there is no internet connection, okay, no problem. Here, as per the classification that we know the best operations are more helpful to extract the data from more than one relation. If we want to extract the data, combination of more than one relation, here joins are going to help. So that we have three categories of for that the join operation representation is this is the symbol we can use the symbol to represent the join operation. So we have three categories of natural outer join and outer join. Here this this join is here anyway it is a join. This station we have to use join. So and everything we discussed earlier. Even though I can this is done today. So natural join. Hello,
Excuse me, sir.
hello. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, not even one word is clear from your side. Like your voice is breaking a lot, sir.
Voice is now is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Better, sir.
What now?
Better, sir.
Yeah. Here, please. Today, yeah. Just I will carry my mic and then I will speak because today there is no Wi-Fi connectivity in the campus, so that I connected through the my mobile data. Maybe it is somewhat disturbing. Even though I will maintain. Now it is fine, right? My voice is
Yes,
fine
sir.
now.
Little bit better. Little bit better, sir.
Means voice is cracking or disturbance is any
Yes, sir.
disturbance
Cracking,
is
sir. It's cracking.
now. Actually, I tried, but it's not coming. Yeah, I think now it is coming. I think it is better now. Is it
Yes, sir.
fine now?
Better.
Better.
Now I think it is fine because now I connected through college Wi-Fi. I think it is good now because morning it has not came. Now it is coming. Okay, is it clear now? Voice is clear now?
Yes, yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Now cracking nothing is there, right? Hello. Hello.
Nothing, sir. It's clear
Yeah,
now, sir.
right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now coming to topic, I told you the natural join. Here, natural join, there is no any specific situation. Just it is going to join the combining of two tables and extracting the particular data, whatever we want. When we are going to apply the natural join, at least one column must be same in the both the tables. Already we know very well when we are going to prepare a relation model, the relation is nothing but a relationship. That is what the relational model. And now we are calling the table means one table is having relationship with another table. Here, when the relationship will come, when at least one column must be common in both the tables so that we can have the relationship. So that is what the relationship model. So in the same way, natural join will be used based on that topic. We can join the two tables with using the join operation. So when we are going to join based on this here same column, it will be checked both the values also based on that it is going to join. Already we discussed with example also earlier. Correct. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Now, coming to the outer join. Here, why outer join is required? Already I told you. When you are going to use natural join, some data we are going to lose because this record is not there. Means that Ravi is not there in this employee works, and Raju is not there in the employee relation. So that these two records we cannot be have in the result table when we are going to apply natural join. So that here they required outer join. The outer join is a mechanism which is going to extract the data with a fulfill the requirement of whatever the data we want to extract, we can extract and with full-fledged data. So that we have three categories of outer joins as we discussed in the last class with examples also. Just I am giving the idea because it is very important. The left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. The left outer join always you know very well. The total all tuples must be reflected in the result, and the right side table only the related tuples are going to reflected. Any tuple is not reflected that you have to put as a null. In the same way, right outer join, your right side table all tuples must be reflected in the result. Left side table only related tuples are going to reflect, remaining things will be put as a null. Full outer join, already I told you, both the tables, all the tuples must be reflected. Any unmatched tuple is there, we have to put the null value. So now I think this assignment, I think you everyone is done, correct? Others have done this assignment.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, good. Now we are going to discuss about theta join or condition join. It means we are going to extract the data based on the condition. So this is somewhat this is very important join operation because when we want to extract the data with conditionally means for example here uh, I can tell you here I wanted to know the employee names who are having salary above 15,000. Here, what happened? The problem is what? Here, two tables. Employee table is there, employee works is there. Yes or no? Employee table is not having the salary column attribute, and employee works is having only the salary attribute, and it is not having the maybe the uh, uh, city. Now I wanted to display the employee city and who are having salary above 15,000. Are you clear? My question is clear. City is there in the employee, but salary is there in the employee works. Hello? Have you cleared this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now I wanted to display the city as well as I want to display the salary. But the thing is, the city I am displaying, salary I am displaying. But out of this, when we are going to join, yes, we can use phi operator and we can display city and a salary. Not a problem. But the problem is when we are going to display the salary is greater than 15,000. That means I want to display city as well as salary, and that must be the salary must be greater than 15,000. So now we need a join operation because we want to join employee and employers along with some condition. So this is a conditional join or theta join. So the representation of theta join is here like this. Same join operation. So here we have to write the condition. That is what exactly theta. So this theta meaning is the condition. This theta is a condition. We have to represent a condition. Now how to write the question? Question. All of you write the question. Display the. All of you write the question, please. Display the employee city and salary. Employee city and salary. Who is having salary above 15,000? Who is having salary above 15,000? Can anyone tell me the query? How to write? First of all, we need to join the two tables because what is the two tables? Tell me. One is employee, another one is employee works. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because we wanted to extract the city from employee, we want to extract the salary from employee works. So that we need to join. Please follow. This is another example. Don't copy this. Okay, this is another example. Whatever I am writing, you can follow that. Here, one is we need to join employee with join operation and employee works. Now in that employee and employee works, what is the condition? You have to join naturally, but here we have a condition. What is the condition? Tell me. What is the condition?
Salary above 15,000.
Yeah, salary above 15,000. Now you know here in the condition join or theta join, here we can write condition salary. Above means greater than 50,000. Here now generally earlier if whatever you join employee natural join of employee works, what will it come out? The result is like this, it will come out. But when I want to join conditionally, here what will be come out? Tell me. Here Raju, Hyderabad, Raju, but salary is 10,000. It never come because I want above 15,000. Now Ram, the Ram is there. Yes, it will come out 20 salary. Yes, it will be come out as a result. Yes or no? Ravi, here there is no Ravi. They never come out. Rani is there above 25. Yes, it will come. Only two records will come. One is Ram record, another one is the Rani record. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear this? All of you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Sir, now in that I want only the city. Sir, it will be come out all the record, but I want only the city as well as salary of that employee. And so that what we will write? Now externally, what we will write? Phi of, tell me, phi of what we want? City and salary. Understand? Hello? Have you cleared this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, one more example. Here it is. What is this? They want to display employees who are having salary less than 15,000. They want to display all employee information. So this is one more question. Write down. Display the employee information. All of you write down one more query. Display the employee information who is having salary less than 15,000. Who is having salary less than 15,000. So this is the answer. So I am displaying complete employee information. So particularly you want any columns, then you can use pie operator, projection operation. Then you can project the whatever the attributes you want. Clear this? All of you clear this? Hello. The time is running here. I wanted to discuss some more examples. Please respond quickly. All of you clear this example for theta join or condition join. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, here we know this condition join sometimes when we write here condition, right? We are writing where some conditions, right? Here this condition we can write all arithmetic operations. Here we can write all arithmetic operations. Here, whatever the condition we want. Here, out of this arithmetic operation, here we can write equal. If you write instead of in this condition, instead of whatever the operations you have to use, if you write equal operation in this position, that join is called as Equi join. Means it is a equal. Equi join. If you write the condition equal, in that condition, if you write equal, that join is called as Equi join. Clear this? All of you clear this? Hello? Hello? Instead of writing different operators, arithmetical comparison operators in this condition area, if you write equal, that join is called as Equi join. Means Equi join is one of the condition join. Means if you write equal, that is a equal join, Equi join. Clear? I am not getting any response from you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you cleared this example? Equi join is clear. Hello?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yeah. Now, one more query. All of you write down. Display the employee information who is having salary equal to 20,000. Who is having salary 20,000? Display the employee information. I am directly asking employee information. Means no need to write project operation. Display the employee information who is having salary 20,000. So who is having 20,000? Sure, how many records are there? One record only because Ram and Ram. Okay, this record will be come out. So now tell me the query. How to write the query? Tell me please, any one of you. As for the discussion. Hello. Is this my question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me, Anusha, the answer.
Employee
Hmm.
The join operator,
Hmm.
in place of condition, salary is equals to 20K, 20,000,
Hmm.
and then the employee works.
Yes, very good. Here, same thing, we have to write the condition join, but instead of this condition, we have to write equal here. So that when you write equal, here 25, 20,000, right? 20,000. This is the answer. If you write like this join is called as equi join. Already I told you. Equal, if you write in the condition, that is the equi join. Don't confuse because external and interviews and somewhere people will confuse you. Your equi join also under the theta join or condition join. Clear this. That is what I have given this example. Clear this. We can use here equal, we can use less than, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, whatever the conditions you can write, you can write. But instead of that, if you write equal, that is a equal there. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the next topic, division. Last operator in this relational algebra. Once this operator is finished, I will give some thoughts, please. Very simple, this operator. Division operator. You know everyone the division, right? Hello? Divisions, you know, are hello? Yes or no? You know, right? Mathematical divisions.
Yes, sir. We know.
Yeah. Yeah. If you write 4 by 2, what is the answer? Hello?
Sir, 2.
What is that? Yeah, 2. Here. Reminder is 2 coefficient is 0. You know, like that. The same way we can use this division operation on tables also. But here there is a mathematical numbers are there so that we can have the very clear output from the division operation. But in this relational algebra, when you use this division operation, you're using procedure is same, but the result is somewhat different. I will show you how to show that results. I will show you. Don't worry, because we have to divide one relation to another relation. When we are using relation, it is a collection of tuples. So that how to divide, I will show you. Don't worry. The division operator is same like mathematics division only. Backslash. Clear? Have you clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For example, if you take relation A and relation B, the relation A contains x1, x2 that up to xm, comma y1, y2 up to ym. So these are the tuples are there. In B relation, y1 to yn tuples are there. When I want to write A by B, now the common tuples, what are there? Y1 to y1, y1 to ym. The resultant is x1 to xm. Then A by B is x1, comma x2, comma xm. Means same equal, same tuples, whatever are there in the divisor, the tuples are not comes to the output of division operation. So this is the basic fundamental theory. Have you understood? I will show you
Yes,
example.
sir.
Don't worry. Yeah. But this division operation, we most probably we never use in the relational algebra, but even though we must know, right? Yeah, now coming to the example, very simple example, please note it down this example. Here A is one relation, B1 is one relation, B2, B3. Just all of these four relations are there, for example, A, B1, B2, B3. Now, when I want to perform A by B1, here A by B1, A by B1. Here this is A, here A contains serial number and phone number, and B1, I want to divide A by B1. B1 contains only phone number. Now, here this is X1 attributes, this is Y1 attribute values. Now, I want to divide with only phone number. Okay, so that we can do that process. How to do? Simple way, here A by B1. Please concentrate and work out in your notebook. Then only you can understand. Yeah, so that I will ask A by B2, A by B3 also. First understand A by B1 how to do that. Here now only it will be device only which is having P2 as a P number. P number is a phone number. So whatever the P2 phone number is having, that record only it will be divided. That it will be divided. So how it will be? So very simple P2. Here where is the P2? Tell me. Here P2 is there. Yes or no? Yes or no? From top to bottom, here P2 is not there. Then it cannot be divided. Here it will be divided at P2 because S1. Are you clear? Are you clear that? First.
Yes.
Hello? Hello? Yes or no? I'm not getting any response from you, sir. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. It is.
P2, yeah, yeah. Now then S1 will come to A by B1. Now next come to P2 again. Here there is no P2, there is no P2, there is no P2. Here the P2 is there. Now S2 will come. Clear? Now here P2 is there. Now S3 will come. Now here P2 is there. S4 will come out. Now here P2 is not there. Now this is the result of A by B1. What is that? S1, S2, S3, S4. Because this B1 will be divisible only these particular tuples S1, S2, S3, S4. Understand this? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. Now tell me A by B2. So A by B2. Here, what is the B2 here? B2 contains two tuples P2 and P4. Means whatever the record we are going to choose, that must be divisible by P2 and P4. That must be contains P2 and P4. Then only it will be divisible. Then we need to check. Now here P2 is there, not there. Yes or no? Hello? Hello? Respond yeah quickly. Is there P2?
Yes,
Record.
sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
I'm asking question, not yes or no. So this is not a P2. Then we will have to skip it. Now go to this. P2 is there?
No, sir.
Yes or no? P2
No,
is there
sir.
or not? This is P2, yeah. P2 yes or no? This is P2
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Please check the screen. Yeah, P2 is there. Okay. Now P2 is there for S1. Now same S1 must be there with P4 also. Then only it will be divisible. P2 is there for S1. Here like that, here we need to check P4 for S1. Here where is the P4? Here P4 is there for S1. Yes. So that S1 will be out. Have you understood now? So only one tuple is there, we need to check only one. But here it contains two tuples. Here when whatever the tuple we are verifying, that must be having this P2 and P4, so that only it will be divisible. Clear? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Hello? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are clear, I will continue. Otherwise, I will. Yeah, clear? Okay, right. Now, again, like that, is there any other tuple? P2 and P4 is having any other tuple. Go to S2. S2 is having P1 and P2 only. But we need P2, P4. That's why S2 is not eligible. Now, coming to S3. S3 is having P2, only P2. It is not eligible. Now, coming to S4. Yes, S4 is having P2 and P4. Yes, P2 and P4. Then S4 is eligible. Then S4 will come. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear now? Yeah. Now one more example. A by B3. Here now A by B3. Here B3 is having three phone numbers, P1, P2, P4. Then we need to check which particular tuple is going to have phone number with P1, P2, P4. That attribute is going, that particular tuple is going to be divisible. That is the result. Now P1, P2, P4. Check. There, for S1, is there P1, P2, P3? You have to check. P4, P1, P2, P4. For S1, yes, P1 is there, uh, P2 is there, and P3 is there. Yeah, P3 is there, but I don't want. P4 I want. Yes, P4 is there. Then S1 is divisible, 100%. Like that, S2 you check. S2, only P1, P2, only P1, P2 is there. But I want P1, P2, and P4. It is not possible. Now S3, only P2 is there. It is not possible. S4, only P2, P4 is there. But we need we need P1, P2, so that S4 also not possible. So this is what exact A by B3 is S1 only. Clear? This division operation is clear, everyone? How to
Yes,
do?
sir.
Clear? All of you clear? I want to respond from you. Quickly, time is running. I have to give some assignment to you. Hello? Hello? All of you clear this division operation?
Yes, sir.
Anusha, I will clear this. Yeah, yeah, very good. Now all of you write this table immediately. So I will give only 2 minutes of time to write these three tables. These three tables are very important. Please try to write these three tables because using these three tables, I will give the 10 assignments. I will show you one assignment how to do. The remaining assignments you work out. These 10 queries are going to help for entire your database management system, even your industry also, it will help. Okay, that is why. The examples, I prepared 10 queries. Okay, please note it down quickly. Okay, the first table is the sailor, second table is reserves, third table is boats. Okay, first of all, you write sailors and reserves quickly. Are you writing? Hello? Are you
Yes,
writing
sir,
or
we are
not?
waiting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please. Quickly. I will give 2 minutes of time. Done? Shall I scroll down?
1 minute.
Done? Hello? Shall I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the last one is the boards. Here this is the boards. BID, BName, color. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, please follow this. In the examination, they will ask only the questions. Only answer is one line. You will get the 8 marks. But you must know all these relational algebra operations, whatever we discussed. Okay. Now, if you observe, this is a sailors reserves boat. Means what is the relationship? Sailors reserves the boats. So this is what exactly that is. So that sailors and boats. Boats is having boat ID. Sailors are having sailor ID. Now, so that your reservation contains this SID and BID and which day it is going to reserve. This is the simple way. This is the relation. This is a relationship. Reserves is the relationship. Boat sailors is the entity. Boats is another entity. Maybe you can understand. Clear? Such a way you have to design your relation model, whatever I assigned earlier. Understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? Yeah. Now the first query, only one first query I will show you the solution how to write. Remaining 9 queries I will give it to you as an assignment. You do it in your home and show it on the next class, please. The first query, write it down. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat number 103. Names of sailors who have reserved. Even I am writing boat number 103. Here we have so many boats, right? Here means here find the names of sailors. Means we need to find the sailor name. Please understand how to understand the question I am telling. Find the names of sailors. Here we need to find the sailor name. But that sailor name must be reserved boat number 103. Who is reserved boat number 103? Okay, 103, 103, and 103. These are the 3 boats. Is reserved some people. So those names I wanted to find. Means we have to join which relations? Out of the sailors reserves boat, what are the relations we need to join? Tell me. Hello. Hello. What are the relations we need to join? Tell me now.
Sailors and reserve.
Sailors and reserves. Very good. Nice answer. So now we need to join sailors and reserves. Here Sorry for the inconvenience. Just my side on the internet gone. Here I am sharing the screen. My voice is audible. This my voice is audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry for the
Yes, sir.
inconvenience. My side only the problem. Internet in the college. Okay. Now here what we have to do? Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat number 103. Here now we have to join the reservation data, but that boats must be contain 103. Means we have to select only the particular 103 who is reserved, that you have to select and you have to join with the sailor and find the sailor name. So that here how to write, here simple how to write, here we can join with the sailors. Yes, very good. Sailors. But to who we have to join with sailors? Here reserved boat number 103 of reserves we have to do that. Means what should we write? We have to do reserves here. But which reserves we have to do? Only BID equal to 103 of reserves we have to join with sailors. Have you cleared this? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Because I wanted to show the sailors names who have reserved boat number 103. Exactly. The boat number 103 I am finding in the reserves and I am joining with the sailors. So that finally what we want to display, finally I want to display sailor name. That's why phi of S name. Understand? Hello? Have you understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I will show you in the table also. Here 103. We have selected only this one, and this one. So when you are selected this, then when I am joining with the sailors, yes or no? I joined with sailors. This I selected 103 and joined with the sailors. So what will come out here when I am joining with sailors? Here what is the common? SID is the common. Means 22. Where is the 22? The 22 will come out. Is there any other? No. And 31. The 31 will come out. Is there anyone? No. Next one, 74. Now 74 will come out. That means these three records will come out. This and this. It will be joined because it is a common is SID. Are you clear? For this join up to this. Like this, you have to do it. Up to this, these three records will be come out. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As per the query, we want the find the names of cell. Only names I want. Here, what are the names? Then you have to write phi of S name. Here, when we go for phi of S name, only S names I want. Then what is the final output? Dustin, Lubber, and Harshaw. These three people will be show as an output for this query. Now understand how to write the query? Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, yeah, in the same way, you can do remaining 9 queries. Then all of you write down second query fast, quickly. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red boat. Red boat. Here, red boat color. Color is there in the last table. That is a boat table. Means we have to join 3 tables. It is possible. You can join a number of tables. We have to join 3 tables. Here I am giving the idea also. Clear this?
Yes,
Because
sir.
red, because the color is there in the third table, board table only, right? Third query, find the colors of boats. Find the colors of boats reserved by lubber. Means here lubber is a sailor. He is reserved some boats. Sure, out of those boats, what are the color boats? What are the color boats he has resolved? That's what you have to display. Understand the question? All of you understood this question? You have to display the what are the color boats resolved by number. Understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fourth one, find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved at least one boat. At least one boat. Because some sailors maybe there is a chance they have not reserved any boat. But our question is what? At least the sailors will display at least one boat they have to reserve. That sailors you have to display. Understand? Minimum one boat they have to reserve. Such type of sailors we have to display. Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Find the names of sailors quickly. Find the names of sailors who have reserved a red or a green boat. So very simple. We need to find the sailor names who have reserved red and apply the union operator. R means union, you know very well. And again, same query you write for red boats. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Union means either this or that or both. So that is what union. The sixth question is find the names of sailors who have reserved a red and green boat. Means this is a intersection, correct? Hello? This is an intersection, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Seventh query, find the names of sailors who have reserved at least two boats. Who have reserved at least two boats. Means every sailor they can reserve some boats. Not, I don't want unreserved sailors. I don't want one boat reserved sailors. I want at least they have to reserve two boats. This is the seventh query. Clear? All of you clear this? Hello? Seventh query is
Yes, sir.
clear.
Clear.
Now coming to the eighth. Find the SIDs of sailors Find the SIDs of sailors with age over 20 over 30 who have not reserved a red board. Means what is the meaning here? Just you are going to display the sailor ID and who is having above age is 20 and they are not reserved a red board. They are above, two conditions are there here. One is age is above 20, another one is who are not reserved a red board. So this is what exactly the eighth query. Clear eighth query? Eighth query is clear.
Yes, sir.
The ninth one, find the names of sailors who have reserved all boards. Reserved all boards. So some of the sailors they can reserve all the boards. Such type of sailors you have to display. Who have reserved all the boards. I think 3 to 4 boards are there. Who have reserved all the boards you have to display. Clear? Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The last query, please write it down. Find the names of sailors. Find the names of sailors who have reserved all boards called interlake. Find the names of sailors who have reserved all the boats called interlake. The interlake is a boat name. Okay. Here we have to display all the sailors who have reserved all the boats, and that is must be a interlake boats. So these are 10 queries. Please do it your home and show it on next class. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Please practice this.